Okay, we got a little loud fan going in here, but we got Van Halen is in the workshop. The sink is out, and we are preparing the new legs for the sink. And I'll show you what we did. Van Halen's a little mess right now. But we took this floor cover out of the storage down here. There's my water jug, and the sink's gonna go right here. It was, remember, back there. My dresser's gonna go there, and then my potty's gonna go right there. And I am gonna put my storage is in my bin right there. That's where my clothes used to go. So this is gonna be so much easier for me. And I'm gonna have extra storage. It's open. I won't have to move the rug. And my sink's gonna be right here when we get done. And then back here, where my dresser was and everything, the water, where I got my little white cooler, which is going up front in between the seats, it fits perfectly, will be my refrigerator. So when I get done, I'm really excited about this sink. So we'll get it in. We're going to attach it. We're going to attach it to the bed frame right there, so that it won't be attached to the van. And then there's going to be a leg in the middle on the floor that goes up to it, and then we're going to have one on the floor it's already there, and it fits perfectly the height. So yeah, bed's a mess. I got everything out of here because it's going to get cleaned up when we get done. So I'm excited. The sink's going to be right here. I could do my shower extension out here if I want to, that I've got. I'm hoping it's going to fit down in the front, so I can put my pan down there with my shower water. And I'm kind of excited about it. We'll see what happens. So I'll put you in when we get done. We're in the workshop. Rosie's under the fan. Say hi. Hi, everybody. Number one campfire girl. Okay. There's my sink. There's my sink. So I'll show you when we get it in.